y'all, it's time to go over my dividends for the month of January. So if you want to see what I was able to make, stay tuned. Y'all, hey, it's D. So I will be going over my dividends for the month of January. I will also be breaking down my monthly paying dividends per a subscriber's request in this video. So make sure that you stay tuned. And yeah, y'all, let's just hop into this video. First, I want to say I am not a financial advisor. I am just coming on here and sharing my journey, how I am investing in the stock market to help me retire early and to build generational wealth. So I'm not going out here and telling you to buy any of these positions that I choose to invest in. So January was a pretty good month. If you're new here, I do highlight the main dividends within my portfolio. For the next couple months, I won't be doing that much editing because I do have a tight schedule due to tax season and me working more. So it will not be as many screenshots as usual, but I did make this money, and yeah, y'all. So in my rollover IRA for JEPI, I got a total of $56.95, and I had a total of 145 shares when that $56.95 posted. MO, which is Altria, this is one of my highest paying dividend positions that I have, and I have it in 3 different portfolios. I have it in both my IRAs and my HSA. In my IRA, I got a total of $31.49, and I had a total of 31 shares, and that is my Roth IRA. In my rollover IRA, I got a total of $123.18, and I had a total of 120 shares. In my HSA, I got a total of $26.76, and I had a total of 26 shares when that dividend post. So I always get a really good return on my MO investments for dividends, and I'm very, very appreciative of that. The next largest dividend was from O, and I do have this in 3 different portfolios also, and this is Realty Income, and I got a total of $36.43. At that time, I had a total of 138 shares. Here are the remaining dividends that I did receive. So I do invest in a variety of different dividend paying stocks, and I also invest in just regular growth stocks. I prefer to invest my money in dividend paying stocks, but I do have a few growth stocks such as Amazon, Google, Nvidia, and I think one more, but I prefer to get dividends. So I do invest in quite a bit of dividends that pay out monthly. I did get a request to break down my monthly paying positions, and I will be going over that right now. I will look up more information with the ticker symbol, and I will be going over these. I have a total of 9 monthly paying dividends. What this means is I get paid every month from these particular positions. Most positions just pay quarterly, but these that I'm about to go over pay monthly. And I've been investing in these probably for at least 3 to 4 years. So let's get into it. So this one is, and these are in no particular order. I just wrote these down. And the first one that I get paid monthly is DX. And this is a REIT, which stands for a real estate investment trust. And this basically means that this company has different buildings, either commercial or residential, that they rent out, and they get paid, every month, just like you have to pay your rent and your mortgage every month. And JEPI, this is a special type of ETF, and a lot of investors like this ETF, and ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. I also invest in BND, And this is also a special ETF. This is actually bonds from the U.S. Treasury, and it's also ETF. So it's what ETF is mean that instead of investing in one single stock, it means that it has a various numbers of companies, or in this case bonds within this one particular position. So if you ever have any questions, let me know. I'm not a teacher, so I hope I'm breaking it down as much as I can, but you can just search for REIT, which is REIT, or ETF if you want to know more about what those acronyms mean. Also, DIV is another monthly one, and this is a ETF. WSR, and this is a REIT. So most of my monthly paying dividends are REITs. Oh, and another one is Maine. Now Maine is my only regular stock that pays out monthly. All the other ones are either a REIT or ETF. Then I have Stag, and this one is also an ETF. And I have LTC. So I have all of these monthly paying dividends within my 4 different portfolios, which currently are a brokerage account, a Roth IRA, rollover IRA, and an HSA. So every one of my 4 portfolios have a mixture of these monthly paying dividends. So for the sake of this video, I did add up all my monthly paying dividends, which are included in this list right here. And for the month of January, I made a total of $114.50 worth of dividends. If you have any questions, like I stated, just let me know. So every month I make around, let's say about $100 plus of dividends just from these monthly paying dividends. So all right, y'all, now let's get into my other tracker. So I do use trackers to keep me motivated and just to see how I'm doing and to track my progress, because I am trying to retire early. So the total amount of dividends I got in the month of February from all of my portfolios was a total of $302.48. So I am so glad to start off the year with over $300 worth of dividends that I was able to get in the month of January. Now, this tracker right here, it just tracks my brokerage account, which is the account that I will use to retire early. And I got a total of $11.99 in that particular account. And lastly, I like to track how much I get in my IRAs, and these will be used when I am retired. So I got a total of $256.95 in dividends from my IRAs. Now, I don't track my HSA dividends right now because this is just not what I am focusing on right now. So yeah, y'all, I hope that y'all got a little bit of knowledge on monthly paying dividends. And in short, most of my monthly paying dividends are REITs. And then I have a couple ETFs and one just regular common stock. I am a fan of the monthly paying dividends because that's constant income that you can get every month, especially when you're retired. You might need that extra money. You might not have the funds to wait from one quarter to the next quarter to get some income. So these monthly dividends will help you bridge that gap. But make sure you do your research. Don't just go out here and invest in these because I'm investing in them, because that might not work for you. So do your research, and I hope this was informative to you. Now let's get into my values of my portfolios at the close of the spreadsheet I do use to keep up with my dividends. I did want to show y'all from last year in December. Well, in December 23, my portfolio was at $46,746.94. And I closed out December 24 at $54,600. $17.63. Most of this, y'all, which is, let's see how much different it is. So 54.17.63 minus 46,746.94. That is over $7,000 in gains. In the year of 24, I did not invest a lot of money. So a lot of that money was strictly gains just by holding on to solid investing positions and just allowing the dividends to reinvest, which is called DRIP, which is the Dividends Reinvestment Program. So y'all, over $7,000 that I was able to gain without investing a whole lot of money into the stock market in 24. Now in 25, I am going to be able to invest more money, and hopefully that will bring my gains even more in the coming year, but we shall see. January, the stock market did do a little bit of correction towards the end, and my portfolio did go up instead of went down like it did from November to December. So I closed out with my brokerage account at $6,831.76. So that did go up about a little under $500. My Roth IRA closed out at $6,387.09, and that did go up about less than $40. My rollover IRA went up to $35,433.16, and that went up a little bit also. And in my HSA, it went up to $6,815.47. And I am appreciative of this, especially because I did use my HSA account to pay for a doctor bill in the month of January, and it still went up about $100. So I'm very appreciative of that. So at the end of December, my portfolio is valued at $54,017.63. And at the end of January, it closed out at $55,467.48. And that was a total increase of $1,449.85. So yeah, the stock market does go up and down, y'all, but I'm here for the long run. I'm not here trying to make any quick money. I'm just trying to establish myself in the stock market and just watch my portfolios grow as I continue to invest more money and to reinvest my dividends. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a heart emoji and let me know, because I love dividends. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. These investing and dividend videos have been coming a little bit more popular on my channel, and I thank y'all for supporting my videos and me in general. Don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. All right, y'all. Bye.